well and it helps everybody. And you know, it's very surprising that you have smart people who live in this country, their children are born and raised in this country, and they make such lame excuses that, oh, you know, if I go to Hajj, I'm not going to be able to help poor. Who told you that? From the minute you buy a ticket from a travel agent till the moment you get there, you buy food from that poor, you know, the guy who has a little place selling shawarmas of, you know, 5 riyals. You're helping everybody there. Spend over there. Spend extra on them. Give him 10 for his food, for the food is cooked for you. This is the way of helping poor. Who told you that only begging is the way of helping poor? And then, the sad part is that if they were genuine in their claim, they would be living in a poverty. They will be living with almost nothing. Like, you know, I'm living a simple life. I've given everything to the poor. That's not the case. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us from making such lame excuses, my brothers and sisters. Remember the order in Islam. Allah